Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and I just wanted to come on real quick to share a package that I got in the mail today actually, and it is from my sister from Hawaii, and her name is Ginger Pana here on YouTube. And oh my god, Ginger, I wasn't expecting you to send me anything really. I mean, I know you've been sending a lot of packages out lately, and you're just such a kind and wonderful person. And wow. So she's from Hawaii, and I have a feeling I know what's in this package, but she always surprises me every time. And oh my gosh. Okay, so let's dig in. So this is what's inside. It looks so pretty. Okay. So I know these are some goodies from Hawaii, and I love when she sends me stuff from Hawaii. Oh, it's a Christmas gift. Oh, look at her pretty card. Oh, okay. So she's written me a note, and I'm gonna read that offline. Thank you, Ginger. Wow. I really appreciate it. My family no longer is in Hawaii. Well, my immediate family, that is. And I don't get as many goodies as I used to. So believe me, this is something that I will love. Oh my gosh, how cool. And I got it upside down. So it's beautiful flowers. I'm gonna keep that. In Hawaii. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to show you guys that because it's I love calendar. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, you got some Daiso goodie. Oh yeah, that's right. There is a Daiso in Hawaii now. Oh my god, look, she got me some Daiso mason jar bags, or their jar pouches. Oh my gosh, thank you, Ginger. I love that. Oh my god. Okay. OMG. Okay. So she's, oh my gosh, color thread. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this on my sewing machine. How awesome. It comes with all different color, all these pretty pastel colors. That is so cool. Thank you, Ginger. Oh, look at these. I love Jingle Bells. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. I'm gonna put them down here. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Look at this pineapple. I want to say this is a what did she say? There was a video. Somebody did a video and it was the same thing. Oh my god, I love it. I think it's a scrub that you would use to wash your dishes with. Please let me know that before I do it. I think I've seen another person have that too, but that's good. Oh my gosh, I love these cute jingle bells. Oh my god, I love them. I love the colors. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, oh, what is this? What are these? What are these? These are so squishy. I love them. Oh my gosh, I need to put them here so I can squeeze them all day long. Oh my god, this is something from Hawaii. Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are so pretty. I love them. Are these washcloths? Oh my gosh, you know I'm going to use them for myself. None of my kids are going to get them. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at all these goodies. Okay, I don't know what these are. Ginger, you're going to have to tell me what these are. I love them. Okay, here's all the goodies. Oh my gosh. You gotta have, ooh, Maui onion, garlic, caramac. Oh, macadamia nuts. I love these. Okay, this is going to sit on my desk because, you know, that's the way I like it. Oh my gosh! These are little Christmas trees and little reindeer like sequins. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Okay, so this, I don't get this down here. We have something similar that they sell at Costco, and my son and I will snack on these all the time. And he loves spam musubis and all that stuff. So sometimes I use these to make the spam musubi. Oh my god. I love these. These are gonna be gone. Okay. Okay, this is wax paper. Oh, Daiso Christmas wax paper. How cool. Yay! I want to make some pockets out of this. Huh. Thank you, Ginger. This is so cool. You get 20 pieces. That is awesome. Thank you. I need to put all this stuff away. Oh my gosh, you know, how did you know I was getting low on Li Hing Moi? And oh, seedless Li Hing cherries. Oh my gosh, these are yummy. Okay, these are mine. I know these are mine. Oh, this is my all-time favorite. I haven't had these in so long. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is nori iso peanuts, and this is like a rice coating on regular peanuts. They are so delicious, guys. Oh my gosh. This won't last long in my house. I can tell you that. With my daughter and I, we eat these up like crazy. So yeah, oh my gosh, let me put everything back into this box. Oh, I'm gonna have to show you guys. Okay, let me move the box. I want to show you guys this calendar. It has beautiful, beautiful, beautiful flowers, and I'm gonna hang it up somewhere in my craft room. Oh, look at, see, this is a yellow hibiscus. Oh my gosh. I hope you don't mind, Ginger. I might like just cut this up and use it in a Hawaiian journal or something. But these pictures are gorgeous. Look at this. This is pink ginger blossoms. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Let's go into March. Oh, this is the bird of paradise. That is classic Hawaiian flower. This is a green goddess orchid. You know, my mom back in the day, she loves orchids, and she has a green thumb. She has like 2 green thumbs. I mean, her whole hand is a green thumb, I'm telling you. She can bring something dead and bring it back to life. It's amazing. So, but her favorite flower is an orchid. And then here is a Ohi o Lehua. This is found on the Big Island. So that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. But yeah, if you don't mind me, Ginger, I'm gonna cut this up and put it in a journal. This is a Pikaki lei and Ohai alii, which is the yellow flowers. Oh my gosh, and this is the Pikaki lei. Sweet smelling, wonderful smelling lei. If you ever go to Hawaii, this is the lei you want. It's expensive, but it's the sweetest, and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful smelling flower. Here's a crown flower, very pretty purple. And I can tell because it says right here. I'm not an expert, believe me. Oh, this is the traditional plumeria. I'm sure you guys are all familiar with the yellow plumeria. They also come in pink, but these are very fragrant smelling flowers too. Love these flowers. I think I have a earrings and pendant set. It's like a gold in gold. Love that. And then here is the gardenia. This is another sweet smelling flower. Oh my gosh. I can smell them already. This is the protea. It's a king protea. And then here is the yellow ginger flower. And then here is the orange hibiscus, very different from the, let me see here, from this hibiscus. This is a traditional where you see all over, you know, but this is a different one, but it's probably in the hibiscus family. Very pretty though, love that. And then that's it. And then here's some Hawaiian jewelry. That's pretty. Oh my. And then you can get a dress or a aloha shirt. Oh wow. I'm going to have to look into this because I would love to get my son one of these. Like a nice bracelet. Oh wow. Okay, cool. Okay, so that is my package from the wonderful Ginger Pana here on YouTube. I've seen a lovely packages she sends out, and as you can see from my package, it is like a taste of home. I wish I could go back to Hawaii. I'm hoping one day, my husband and I will go back and just, actually spend some time on Oahu by ourselves, but I know my kids would want to go there too. So anyway, I want to thanks Ginger for all the lovely goodies. Oh my gosh, I might just open this up and snack on it. God, I can't even get this thing open. Yummy. Okay, so thanks everyone for stopping by, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.